What's the meaning of controlled? Controlled. Controlled.
Controlled. Controlled. The term controlled refers to the act of managing or regulating something. It implies a deliberate effort to maintain order and stability in a particular situation. Whether it's controlling a machine, managing a project, or regulating a process, control enables individuals or organizations to achieve desired outcomes. When something is controlled, it follows a set of rules or protocols that guide its behavior. This helps to prevent chaos and ensure that things operate efficiently. Ultimately, the result of control is that things function smoothly and predictably, allowing individuals or organizations to achieve their goals with greater ease.